I'm here with Joseph and Erica, and neither of you guys have ever flown in a helicopter, right?
Nope, we haven't.
How are you feeling?
Nervous.
Nervous? Is it me? Is it my jovial nature? It makes you think I can't be a good pilot?
A little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
Nervous in general.
We go. Aw, you guys are having a moment. This is so nice.
On a mouth on a runway 26 direct with me on.
Oh, snap.
Doing a little bit of a slightly harder turn to avoid a bird.
I feel like soaring over California.
I forgot to bring like smells. I need like to spritz you with orange spray. Yeah, so we're coming up to Point Vicente, where there's a lighthouse down here. My wife and I used to come here and we'd look at the sunset. It's a great spot, you know, drinking the vibe. Very romantic. I hope I'm not ruining your romantic vibe here.
No, sir. No, sir. This is the waves over here is way different from on that side.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Water looks beautiful.
It is. Are we in Long Beach now?
This is San Pedro over here.
Pedro.
You guys ever been to the Korean Friendship Bell? It's just a really great spot to like have a picnic and fly a kite. Positively glorious. Cool, so we're gonna beeline it over towards the Queen Mary here. So we'll be back on the ground in maybe about 5 minutes.
Do you know which port has the biggest port in the U.S.?
I wish I did. That'd be a fun bit of trivia.
It's gonna be in Long Beach. Would you get a yacht, sir?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
No, I'm not a yacht guy. I feel like too, if you want to show people that you're wealthy, you don't buy a yacht, you buy a vineyard.
Sudi, look at that pyramid.
It's a pretty sweet pyramid. Of all the pyramids you see today, that'll be the bluest.
Copter 285, landing at Ross will be at your own risk.
Landing at Ross, got your own risk, 285.
Sudi, I know this is random. I could have asked this to you earlier. I didn't know that this
JetBlue 231, additional traffic, 11 o'clock.
I missed
1,000 pattern.
a good view. Anyways, you know how much I love. I know this is quite random right now. Before we land, I have a really big question.
785 Zulu traffic on downwind, runway 26 left.
Carry me, baby. Huh? Huh?
212, continue traffic in position.
Let me get that ring. I know the question, I could have just asked you that earlier with that wonderful view.
285,
But
continue across the
will you marry me?
What? Yes, but...
285.
You don't want my top.
Is this?
265,
It's a micro. I did not expect that.
No, I did not expect that we're here.
JetBlue 231, right turn, golf contact, correcting continue.
Real quick, before I get on the ground here, what happened there?
I proposed to her.
What'd she say?
She said yes.
Yay! Oh good, I can set the helicopter down now. Man, you really greased that one in there. I mean, you guys, you said yes. That was a really smooth landing. I think we're all having a really great day here. High five, guys. Yeah. do we have to do like a freeze frame high five, like one of those sort of like...
We made it.
It was a fun ride.
I'm so glad she said yes, because we have a whole shutdown procedure. We're going to have to sit here for 2 minutes. If you said no, this would be a really uncomfortable shutdown. Okay, let's see that ring. Oh, I'm so happy for you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah, there we go. Check it out. Oh, love. This makes me so happy. Oh, this might be the best single use of the helicopter yet. Probably also the only time anybody's going to get engaged in the chopper, but who knows? Do you want to get engaged and fly with me? Let me know. Leave a comment. I don't guarantee I'll take you flying. Ah, the vomit bags. No, save the vomit bags. I'll get it.